Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unlock iPhone 11 on the latest iOS 26.5.2 and I'm going to fully unlock this iCloud account. Also this method is working on ISO 26.6. Our service is 100% working and a lot of people are buying. Just you need to buy the unlocking file or you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number and buy the unlocking file. We are available on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you don't have WhatsApp and Telegram, then you can email us on our email address. Email address is available in description. If you don't have email address, then you can follow the link and go for online unlocking method. But our service is 100% working. A lot of people are buying. Our service is not free. You have to pay for the unlocking file. And after buying the unlocking file, just you need to import the unlocking file to the 3U tool and start flashing. Just click import flash file and click clear data mode and auto activate your phone, and after 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model and your iPhone will be activated. This method is working for all iPhone model and all iPad model. For example, if you have iPhone 11 or 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, all the model are supported. Even we have iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 unlocking files are available. Just you need to WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number and buy the unlocking files. Also our service is working with SIM card, call data, everything will work fine and it's permanent method. Congratulations, device activation successful. You can see iPhone 11 white 64 and iOS 26.5.2 on the 3U tool. So our phone will be turned on in just few seconds. And you have to follow these steps to activate this phone. Select language, select any country and click on partial setup, and voila, our iPhone 11 on the latest iOS 26.5.2 and iOS 26.6 is unlocked, and it will take a little bit time because it's activating the phone, so it will be a little bit laggy for 5 to 10 seconds. So this is iPhone 11 and it's unlocked. Okay guys, thank you so much, take care, bye bye.